Okay. Let's just wait for others, then we'll start.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, students. Let's just wait for one more minute, then we'll start, okay? Okay. Let's just start, students. I think this was the last thing we did, right?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
let's start with the next question. Question number 5. Today we'll just finish off this because this is the last thing we are doing today. Okay. Hmm. In a given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. This is 70 degree. You have to find this D, E, F, okay, and D, G, C. D, G, C. Okay, this one and this one. So consider this like this. Okay, now can you find? Can you find it now?
Yes, ma'am.
It automatically became like this, no? Now fine.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Rida.
Ma'am, did we started something?
Yes, question number 5 we are doing.
Ma'am, could you explain it?
You have to just find the value of DEG. I just asked them to extend it like this. The diagram was like this. Okay. So you will extend it like this, and this. Right? So I think now I've already taught you all the properties. So you people can find it. Good evening, Suleiman. Why you joined? Why you people are joining so late today?
Ma'am, I actually don't understand this concept, so like I'm gonna try to do it, but when everybody's done, could you just like teach me?
Yes. I'll just explain you, and I already told you that you can watch the recordings.
Yes, ma'am, but like still when you explain it, it's more easier, right? Like,
Okay, I'll try because the thing is that I cannot teach you everything in one class, but I'll try to give you a recap after this. Okay.
oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Correct.
Mom, we have to subtract 790 by 70, right?
You have to just find the values.
Like, you have to
Using the
subtract.
properties, alternating angle, corresponding angles, like that. Okay.
Okay. Sorry, ma'am, I joined late.
No issues, Hepzibah. We are doing this question. Can you do this? Like fifth one. Try it. I'll explain it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so now students, let's just quickly discuss it. See, angle, this was given, but you have to find DGC. This one you have to find. So DGC would be equals to 70 degree and the reason would be corresponding angle. Right? Because one is inside and one is outside. Okay. Now after this, you have to find DEF. DEF, this one. Right? So again, this one also will be 70 degree. The reason would be correspond angle. One is outside and one is inside. So here also correspond angle. Clear everybody? Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So now let's just come to the last question of this chapter. Okay, and then you are done. We'll just quickly give a recap and then we'll start with the next chapter, which is triangles. Okay. Here you go. In the given following figure, decide L is a parallel line, parallel to M. When we were writing notes, I gave you few lines, whether to decide this is parallel or not. Just check it over there. I gave you few spell like corresponding angles are there, this, then it's a parallel line. If this is this, then this is a parallel line. Just recap this and over here see the scenario. If they fulfill the scenario, it is a parallel line. In case if they don't fulfill the scenario, then they are not a parallel line. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when we are done with this, you remember we wrote like the first thing of this chapter. I just want to take screenshot of it.
Okay, okay, yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, what does parallel to M means?
Parallel, sorry.
What does parallel to M means?
L is parallel to M. This line is parallel to M.
Like what is the concept of parallel?
There are few statements in the notes. If you don't know it, leave it. I'll just give a recap, then you'll get to know. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finished? Let us quickly discuss the answers. Yes? You are still doing or you are done?
Ma'am, I'm still doing.
Okay, okay, I'll do.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Aman.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, so let's just quickly discuss the answers. Okay, so the first one over here, if you will add 126 plus 44, you will get 180. Yes, so that it means that the sum of angles on the same side, right, or sum of the co-interior angle is 180. It's supplementary, right? Co-interior angle is supplementary or 180. So that's why it is a parallel line. So first one is a parallel line, LNL. Okay. Now second one, in this case, tell me second one is a parallel line.
No, ma'am. No.
No.
Why? Because for example, this is also 75, right? So
Yes.
75 plus 75 is not making 180 degree. So it is not following the property. That's why the second one is not a parallel line. Now third one, this will be 57 degree. Now, is it following the rule? 123 plus 57. 123 plus 57. Is it giving you 180? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So that's why it is a parallel line. Now the last one, this one will be 72. Okay. So 98 plus 72. Hmm?
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, it's not parallel line
Not
because it
parallel.
gives
Because base
Yeah.
170.
170. So it is not a parallel.
Ma'am, I got this. So can you give me a little time to write it? Because that time I didn't got it, so I wasn't writing.
Okay, okay. You want to write it down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I'll wait for 1 minute.
ma'am.
Yes, finish.
Ma'am, the first one is 170, right?
First one. No.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Let me check. Yes. First one is also 170. So it is not the parallel one. Okay. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so now today we'll be starting a new exercise. Rida, you are done writing?
No, ma'am, but you can start if you want.
If you want to write it down, quickly write it. I'll wait for one more minute, then we'll start.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. I'm done.
Okay. Now, everybody, I'm just recapping this entire chapter for you because I'll be starting lines and angles. So, sorry, triangles after this. So, you people won't get it. So, those who were not there in this chapter and those who missed this chapter due to any reason, I will be starting this. So, you people can have a look. I'll just recap this entire thing for you. Okay. Basically, what you need to learn in this chapter is all the things are fine. The only thing which is very much important in this chapter is this one, angles made by a transversal. Okay, so over here, this is the line, this the line which crosses two or more lines, right? That is basically the transversal. Okay, so in a transversal, basically the angles are being formed: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, like this. So first the angles are interior angle. Interior means inside. So over here you can see 3, 4, 6 and 8. They are inside, right? So they are the interior angle. Okay. And then the next one is exterior. Exterior means outside. So you can see 1, 2, 8 and 7. They are outside. So they are the exterior angles. Fine. Clear? Rida?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is clear. Now the next term which comes to you is a corresponding angle. Corresponding means one will be outside and one would be inside. Okay, out and inside. So you can this 3 is inside and this 7 is outside. Okay, so they are corresponding angle. This 4 is outside, this 8 is inside. Okay, 8 is outside, 4 is inside. This 6 is inside, 2 is outside. This 5 is inside, 1 is outside. So they all are basically the corresponding angles. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Now the next one is alternate interior angle. They should be inside, but alternate means one should be left and one should be right. So 3 and 6. 3 was in left and this was in right. Right and this was in left. 5 and 4. So they are alternate interior angle. Here. Now alternate exterior means they should be outside. So 1 is on left and 8 is on right. 2 is on right and 7 is on left. So they are alternate exterior angle. This yellow one is interior and the red one is exterior. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Now the next one is that The angles, alternate interior angle on the same side of the transfer. So 3 and 5, they are on the same side. 4 and
Yes.
they are on the same side. So they are pairs of interior angle on the same side. They are also known as co-interior angle. Fine.
Okay. Ma'am.
Okay, this is what you have to remember. So in case, for example, sometimes if this is given, for example, this is given 60 degree. So automatically 5 will also be 60 degree. The reason would be, ma'am, they are corresponding angle. So one angle 1 would be equals to angle 5. Fine. The pairs are always equal. For example, angle 6 is given 40 degree. So automatically 6 will be 40 degree. The reason would be, ma'am, alternate interior angle. So angle 3 is equals to angle 6. This is how you solve the question. Fine.
Ma'am, so can you show me the notes if you don't mind?
Sorry.
Could you show me the notes?
Yes, I'll show you the notes. You can start from here. So you can just quickly take the screenshot. Let me just erase it, all the stuff, so that you don't get confused. You can take the screenshot of this, then I'll scroll.
Okay, ma'am, done.
Now you take the screenshot of this.
I'm done.
Now this.
I'm done.
Now.
Okay.
Done.
Yes.
Now this one is very. I'm just writing it here. Outside, inside, left, right. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Wait a minute. This one you don't have to do example one. This is the last, the parallel one.
Okay. Done.
Okay. I hope
Thank you so
everybody. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, I hope this chapter is very much clear to you people. The only thing is that you should know how a line is a parallel line, how the angles are equal to each other, and you can fully do this chapter. Okay. So now we have finished all these things. So today we are going to start a new chapter, triangles and its properties. Okay. So let's just get started quickly. Triangles and its properties. Okay. New chapter. So first of all, ma'am, what is a triangle? So triangle is a closed curve made up of three line segment. I already taught you what is a line segment. It has three vertex, three sides and angle. So vertex are this: A, B, C. They are the angles. Okay. And this, you can see AB, BC and CA. They are the three sides. A, B, C, they are the three vertex. And angle A, how do we write? We write angle A, angle B and angle C. This is what? This is the sign. Instead of writing like this, angle A, we make it like this and write this. So this is angle A. Okay. So this is what? And then types of triangle on the basis of sides. Okay. On the basis of sides. Okay. For example, this triangle, it doesn't have any side equal. No equal side. No equal side. For example, this is 4, this is 2 and this is 3. No equal side. So this is called scalene triangle. Okay. For example, this triangle, it has two sides equal. 2, 2 and 4. Two sides equal. Two sides equal. So this is called isosceles triangle. For example, a triangle with all the sides are equal. 3, 3, 3. All the sides are equal. All sides equal. This is called equilateral triangle. Clear?
Yes.
So if no side is equal, ma'am, scalene triangle. If two sides are equal, ma'am, isosceles triangle. If all the sides are equal, ma'am, equilateral.
Equilateral.
Fine with everybody?
Yes.
If
Yes,
I'll ask
ma'am.
you how many types of triangle are there on the basis of sides, you will say, ma'am, there are three triangles on the basis of sides. First, one which has no equal sides, scalene. Second, which has two equal sides, isosceles. And the one which has all the equal sides, equilateral triangle. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, first of all, you will start making notes from here. Just put the chapter, the triangles and its properties. Okay, and then triangle, draw this and make the entire thing and just write it down this. And then also types of triangle on the basis of sides.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the chapter's name is Triangle and
Its properties.
okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, this image where the angle has three vertex, ma'am, but a normal angle only has a one vertex.
Yes. Normal angle would have only one vertex. Then only they are making angle, no? So it has only one vertex.
And ma'am, by that vertex also the angle is called. Like ma'am, if we put in the vertex in this image where you made an angle, we put a C, the angle will also be known as C.
We can call it angle C directly or we can call it ACB like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the vertex?
Vertex.
Ma'am, I have a
Vertex is
doubt.
basically the corners.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am asking that, ma'am, in triangle, ma'am, will a triangle be called by one of its vertex, or ma'am, it should be called by all of its vertex, like
In
ABC,
triangle,
or
all
it
the
can
vertex.
also be called like.
All the vertex you will include.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wrote it. Ma'am, should we draw this also?
Sorry?
Should we draw this also, like the types of
Yes.
triangle?
We'll put it here and you will draw it like this and you can see.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, finished.
Okay, everybody has finished?
Yes.
No, ma'am, I'm at the
Okay,
last
I'll
one.
wait. I'll wait for 1 minute.
Ma'am, the
Now, coming to the next one, types of triangle on the basis of angle. Okay, first is acute triangle. If all the angles are less than 90 degrees, that is known as acute triangle. Like this is also less than 90, this is also less than 90, this is also less than 90. Second is obtuse triangle. So have one angle more than 90 degrees. So in this, not all, only one angle should be more than 90 degrees. And right angle, one angle should be 90 degrees. That is, it is called right angle triangle. Clear? So if all the angles are less than 90 degrees, it is acute. If one angle is more than 90 degrees, it is, if one angle is equal to 90 degrees, it is right angle triangle. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am finished.
Okay, everybody finished?
No, ma'am,
Yes,
I'm in
ma'am.
the
Okay.
marker.
Okay, now coming to medians of triangle. So median is a line segment which made by joining any vertex of a triangle with the midpoint of the opposite side. Listen to it very carefully. For example, this is a triangle. Okay, you are starting this from here. Any vertex. It can be this one A, it can be B, or it can be C. Okay, you will start it from here and you will join the midpoint of the opposite side here. This is a median. For example, you are starting it from this one. So you will start from here, dash, 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 dash. You will join the middle point of this one. Okay, like this. So this is called median. Okay, and where all the medians meet, that is known as centroid.
We have to write this since we don't have a lot of time, right?
Sorry.
Do we have to write this?
You have to write it from here, median till here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.